Now question number 87, which ecosystem has the maximum biomass? Now biomass represents living organic matter. Now if we look at the options here, so here lake ecosystem का biomass सबसे कम होगा, pond ecosystem का उससे ज़्यादा, grassland ecosystem का उससे ज़्यादा, एंड द मैक्सिमम वन इज़ फॉर द फॉरेस्ट इकोसिस्टम. तो किन किन इकोसिस्टम का बायोमास ज़्यादा होता है? फॉरेस्ट का होता है, कोरल रीफ्स, एस्चुरीज, सी फॉर प्लांट्स लाइक शुगर केन फील्ड, इनका बायोमास ज़्यादा होता है. सो हेयर द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 1. So question number 88, fruit and leaf drop at the early stages can be prevented by the application of. So at the early stages, fruit and leaf drop, that is prevented by the auxins. Yes, this is the right answer. Yes, the auxin which is used to prevent the fruit drop, that is NAA, that is naphthalene acetamide. It is used for preventing the fruit drop in tomato. Along with that, we also use 2,4-D. 2,4-D is used for preventing the drop in the case of citrus. So the right answer for this question is option number 3. So now let's move on to the next question here. So question number 89, we have to look for the option, the one who gave the final proof of DNA as genetic material. Now the unequivocal proof of DNA as a genetic material was given by the scientists Hershey and Chase, which ended the debate between the protein and DNA as a genetic material. So if we look into the options, so both of them gave the final proof of DNA as genetic material. So the right answer for this question is option number 2. So now let's discuss question number 90 here.